Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's session once again. Of course, we are trying to make I just want you guys to understand the situation of market as well as the platforms plus the way I do trading. Uh, Before we start our session, I would definitely love to update you guys. Uh, Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile assets, and moreover carries very significant risk. So therefore, everyone should exercise great cautions. It's always do your own research before you enter in the crypto or any trading pair, gold, anything like that. Nothing presenting in this live session is related to financial advice. It's just an educational video, educational purpose and entertainment purposes. Moreover, yeah, just to pass the time and spend few hours with you guys to just letting you know the guys what the procedure I'm using to uh just try to do trading and stuff. So it's demo account. So always try to start with your demos. Moreover, yes. So yeah, you guys have seen there was not much effect on BOJ, Bank of Japan. They were planning to increase the interest rate, and they increased well 0.75%, but it doesn't affect much on the higher side of like crypto and stuff. Moreover, yeah. So of course, what we are doing is we are trying to create a fun for you guys. So it's just considered a fun. It's just a fun fact, and let's start checking the pairs. Of course, we are just performing the live trades every day for like few hours. So I try to create few amount of profit every day and share you guys with on the screen as well as always. So you guys can keep an eye on that and just enjoy the fun fact of the crypto, the trading. Yeah. Moreover, yes, we have there's a link in description. You guys can click on that to join the community. And while you join the community, you follow me and let's start. And let's have some fun and enjoy some stuff on crypto and markets and see the saturation of market and the volatility and the movements of the charts. So yeah, it's just for fun. Do your own research. I'm just going to mention that again. Moreover, start uh, with your demo accounts. Yes, for better control and better understanding of the charts and the markets, of course, and the movements. Understand the candles, where to draw the support, where to draw the resistance. What is RSI? What are there are various factors on which the movement of the price goes on. So let's have some fun and see few pairs. So let's start with the one we always used to start with. Yes, if you see there is a range bound for now for this coin as well. We always enter the trade following by the RSI as always. So there is one strategy I used to follow. So today on my first, it's my first live on TikTok, and I'm just doing that from last month on live on YouTube. Uh, I always mention we are the short-term scalpers. So on the short-term scalping, you don't need to like to take to what should I say? Like we you don't need to much worry about more indicators. All you need to do is just follow the RSI. It's very good indicator. Moreover, yes, EMA and MA plus volume. These three, four main indicators that helps a lot you to define like where is the movement is going on. So yes, let's start with this coin. I was just about to enter the short position. I was just talking with you guys. I just missed this opportunity. Let me tell you guys, whenever I just used to enter the trade, I always follow the RSI, Relative Strength Index. It's the strength index for understanding the situation of that coin specifically. For example, there is a benchmark for that. If the RSI, there is a benchmark in between 100 and 0 and 100. So the benchmark is 30 and 70. Uh, there is a range in between that. If the RSI of that specific movement is below 30, so there it is suggested for uh, understanding that we can enter the long position. We can buy the coin or anything like that. So we can enter the position and uh, get some profit out of it. Moreover, if the price if the moment of that RSI is above 70, so it is considered that that's already overbought position. That means that's already considered as overbought. There is a resistance somewhere on the top, so sellers want to sell. So then buyer comes in. So if sellers are stronger, the RSI above 70 means we can open the short position, but that's not strongly recommended. Always do your on research, do it on demos. It's not always 100% right. Uh, but I used to follow that, and from last month, almost a month now, yeah, almost a month, 5 days, 3, 4, 5 days left. So I always just try to keep doing that with the with the RSI, mostly RSI. Plus, I have tried to do that with EMA as well. But because we are ultra short-term scalpers, so ultra short-term scalpers always just try to perform the trade within. Uh, so ultra short-term scalping means that we can wait see the situation somewhere around here. So it shows like the RSI was below 20. So for the ultra short-term scalping, it is suggested like we are just scalping and just try to open the position for the very short period of time, maybe somewhere in between 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. And if something went wrong, so it may take a bit longer time. So yes, uh, for that, I suggest that that's my suggestion. Always try to enter the long position with the RSI if RSI is below 20. Moreover, for the short position, if you want to perform a short position, yes, for the short position, you can enter the short position above 80. So if the RSI is above 80, yes, you can enter the short position. So yes, this is it for now. Moreover, the Bitcoin is very steady, moving very steadily. So there is a big, I must say, what should I say about the BTC? Like it is expected, like it if it goes um above 90, then there's a next stop would be somewhere around 100K. So yeah, it's possible. Yeah. Moreover, let me share few details with you guys. Thank you for being online. Please follow my TikTok and YouTube as well. So yes, I can just let you know guys about the few strategies which I used to follow. I strongly not recommend to follow that, but do your own research before anything before you want to do anything. So I'm just telling that you the things, where to draw the RSI, or where to see the how to see the RSI, where to see draw your support, where to draw your resistance. Yes, that's it for the information. And what is support? Yeah, let's not forget to mention. Let's see if the movement of this coin is just moving up and down. So this is the 1 minute time frame. I have set this for the short term scalping. Your time frame should be 1 minute or 5 minutes max, not more than that. So if the price is moving in some range, something like that, it goes at the some position and comes back at specific position and then go back at or somewhere near about that position and then come back to previous position somewhere around that. That's called the range bound. So let me draw the resistance or support for this one. Uh, so I must say, let me, I should say, here is the, sorry, here is the resistance. What is resistance? Resistance means when the price goes at specific position on the upside, uh, so there are few sellers that try to stop the market and try to put their orders over there. So they are trying to sell that position. That's called resistance. They are resisting to price to go up. Moreover, what's called support. Support means the buyers are in. They are just supporting that the price should go up. So let me draw support somewhere around here. If you see, guys, the price goes at specific price or in between, moving in between this range. That's called range bound actually. So yes, let's see. Uh, okay, there are different patterns we can see. You can study online. There are a few patterns. If the price goes crosses the support or some resistance, so it could go up, or maybe that could be a fake breakout. The strategy I use is basically, um, I always see an RSI. So if the RSI is on the higher side at this point, at this point, I should have to take the short position. Something like that. If you guys can see. The RSI was above somewhere around 84 at this point, 85, 84. So that was the right time to enter the short position. So that's a free indicator. You can use it on any exchange. Almost all of the exchanges are just offering these indicators. So let me set up the screen for you guys. So yes, thank you so much for joining my today's session. It's a great honor for me to you guys to have with me. So I would definitely love to uh, to show my strategy with you guys. So okay, yeah. So here is the range bound for that actually. So the price goes up at some point and comes back to some position and then goes a little bit up, then coming back and go up. So that's called the range bound. But I always used to follow the RSA. Okay, one more thing actually I must have to mention again. The value of RSI should be 5. 5 means there are the position right now and before 5 candles, before 5 minutes. 5 means there are 5 candles back, and the average of that candle's position is the current point right now. For example, it's on 60. 60 means the previous average of 5 candles are now 60. So yeah, that's the value. So for the short term scalping, you need to just set up something like that. So yeah, so it gives you a better understanding for that. So yes, let's see a few pairs. So I have just drawn the range bound for this one. I'm just going to just grab an opportunity uh, for open a long or short position, but for a very shorter period of time. Just try to do the small scalping, and let's see few pairs. Yes, there is a chance. The RSI went up to somewhere around 80. Um, we can enter the short position, but then if we can see the RSI just went down again. So yeah, there, see, these kind of movements are somewhere around, I must say, dangerous for the situation. We are not sure if the RS if the price is already above on the higher side, but the RSI is just in mid in between somewhere 70 and 30. So yeah, that's the clear indication. That's the position. The currently the market is deciding that the buyer's side is strong or the seller side is strong. So yeah, buyers try to buy the coin from downside and sellers try to sell on the higher side. So that's the war between something like that. So yes, sometimes sellers get strong, sometimes buyer get strong. So that's the way the price moves up. Um, Thank you so much, guys, for joining today's session. It's just for information and educational purposes. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert as well. Always try to do your own research before enter any kind of trading session. Anything like that. Moreover, my chat is open. You guys can write me anything if you want to ask any questions. I would love to hear to respond you guys on that. Sorry. Moreover, yes, let's see another pair. So I'm just trying to see few pairs. So yes, let's see this one. As I mentioned earlier, my strategy is I always perform the trade to see the RSI. So if the RSI is below 30, for very ultra short-term scalping, I always enter the trade if the RSI is somewhere below 20. So the minimum benchmark is 30. I don't follow that. I just always try to just wait for the for more confirmation. So what is the confirmation? Yes, of course, the RSI. If RSI goes below 20, yeah, there is a chance we can perform the long trade. Moreover, if the RSI is above say 80, so yes, we can open the short position from there. So always be careful while perform the trade. Uh, it's a great opportunity for today's era. There are a lot of people making money and a lot of people make losing money, of course. If someone is losing, that means someone is making. So it's your fight against the smartest people in the market. So yes, it's always you always be very careful to enter the market. Always, I strongly recommend you guys always try to do start with your demo accounts. There are plenty of exchanges. They are just offering the demo accounts. You register your basic account and just follow demo accounts. So they offer you demo accounts. Try to do the demo trading. That's how you can learn the market movements, the candle movements, the charts, and there's a lot more. So yes, um, and there are different type of candles. Like if the candle is closing up, there is a shooting star. If closing down, there's a hammer. If the candle is complete, that's called engulfing. If goes up, goes down, and something like that. There's a lot of things. So you will get a better understanding for that before uh, if you do the demo trades. So yes, let me see where we can open any position on the demo account. Of course, I have increased my portfolio from 1,000 to $9,000 in just like 20 days now. So yes, but I've always use demo accounts for the better clarity. See guys, this is the position I have drawn. The range bound, the support and resistance. The below line is support and the upper line is resistance for now. So let's see if we can grab a chance to open any position. Okay, guys, let me check what can we do. Okay, so let's see the moment for now, or we can see another pair. All we are just doing is for now is just waiting for the confirmation if the RSI goes above the minimum benchmark, which is 80, and the lower side is of course below 20. So yeah, let's see how can we enter the position. Okay, for now actually I am not sure for now actually. The movement is not cleared. Let's see another pair. Yes, this is an indication for us to open a long position from here. So yes, we can open a long position from here, but for a very short period of time. So yes, there was a chance. See, the RSI just touched 22. So yeah, our minimum benchmark for that is actually below 20. So yeah, even it's 21 is not our benchmark. So yes, let's see if we can get a chance for that. I must say, I'm just going to repeat this again. It's not always 100% right. So always be very careful to open the long or short positions. I strongly recommend please start doing trading on demo accounts. Always do the demo accounts and consider the money you add in that demo accounts. You don't need to add. Basically, it's a demo money. You can write down the amount, whether it's 1,000 or 100,000, whatever you want to add. It totally depends upon you. But consider it like it's your own money. So when you take responsibility, of course, that will the sense of responsibility gives you more control, of course. And let's see, I'm just waiting. I'm curiously waiting for some better moment, actually. Not sure about that. Yes, we can enter the short position. This one is actually just moving in between the range bound, actually. If it touches this support resistance line, actually, this is a resistance line, and the next candle closes below this one, then I can open the short position, following by the RSI, of course. RSI is above 70. Yes, we can open the short position, but for like 3 to 4 minutes maximum, not more than that. So let me set up. I'm just going to open it with $200 with 50x margin. Don't use 50x, always use 5 to 10x. Not more than that. Strongly not recommended. Try to grab small amount of profit instead of making big profits and losing all of your money. Of course, it's very volatile market. Be very safe, guys. Always follow your discipline, how much amount you want to open your trade, and how much is the money you can afford to lose. There is a stop loss, there is a take profit. The market is in your control. It totally depends upon you, like how you drive it. So yes, there are good chances to make money. And sorry, let me, okay. Moreover, okay guys, let me see. Yes, we can have this opportunity. No, not for now actually. Um, let's see the width. Yeah, just see that was a chance we could have entered the position actually, but the price is already up, so we are 5 minutes late actually in this position. No worries. Okay. Let's see. So here we have an opportunity to open the long position somewhere around where the RSI is just below. Yes, we are just going to open a long position from here. I am just going to enter it with $200 margin with 50x leverage. Yes, just try to avoid The bigger leverages as the price is moving up. And yes, we are in the position for now. And let's see where does the price goes. I'm just going to put TP somewhere around like try to grab small amount of profit. So I'm just going to place somewhere around $80 for now. Okay, let's see if we can make it. Or we can put our SL somewhere down there, but uh, most of them, mostly I try to do that when the price goes up and the next candle closes above the entry point. I always put my stop loss at break even. So if market goes wrong, sometimes yes, it goes wrong. Sometimes, of course, I must say it always goes wrong. So that's the way you can save your margin. Yes. So let's see. Can we have that opportunity again? Okay. And the price is just moving. All right, guys. Okay, so yes, you guys can join my community while clicking on the link in description. Yes, you can connect with me, guys. Moreover, you can write me anything in comment section as well. I would definitely love to respond you guys on that. So it's my first day live on TikTok as well. So yes, and I'm just performing the live trades on YouTube almost every day. Yes, other than weekends for now. Maybe we'll start doing on weekends as well. So if we get some time, so yes, we can spend some time with you guys to teach you how to do that. Uh, but do your own research always. So let's see. Yes, for now the price is just moving down. Yes, it will go up because RSI is just very below the benchmark. Of course, it's going up. And uh, okay, there is one more thing actually I must have to mention here. Uh, that totally depends upon you, like how much money you are opening the margin with, and moreover, there are more chances like if you have made somewhere like for example, let's say $100 in one day, or let's say if you're opening the trade with $200 for now and the price goes wrong just like that, it's going wrong. So yeah, I'm wrong in this position. Well, we'll do that in I'll do the DCA. I'll show you how to do the DCA. So I'll take the control of the market. Yeah, so the thing I was just telling you guys is basically if you have opened the position, like I'm using my $200 margin, and the prices also goes like minus $200 somewhere around that. So uh, there's a thing that calls isolated margin. Isolated means the amount of that position you open. It's like $100, or maybe let's talk about this position. I'm using $200. So yes, that amount specifically uh, can can be liquidated just in case your trade goes wrong, instead of losing all of your money, the money in your wallet. Of course, try to be safe. Yeah, isolated protects you very well. And okay, let this trade be in position. I will close that in position in of course in profit because I'm very confident on this one actually. The RSA is very below. We can do the DCA for now, but I'm just not going to do that. I just want you guys to see this trade. Meanwhile, let's see another pair for now. And what was that actually? Okay. So see, uh, the support and resistance of this one. It's just in between the range bound what I have drawn already. So yes, it happens. That totally depends upon you guys, like how you guys take uh, the position. As we have took the wrong position in the previous one, we just did that thing a little bit hurry, but no worries. That trade will be in positive for sure. Okay, let me check another pair for you guys on my other screen. If we can grab any good opportunity. See for this one actually. The RSA was, uh, of course, that's what I was talking about. That always not 100% it goes right, but in this situation, it was just going very crazy. It was just below 30, somewhere around here, and see the next candle, and it could have give you like few amount of profit. So that totally depends upon you, like how you want to take the percentage of your profit, or you want to make dollars. I strongly recommend that always try to increase your portfolio with regards to percentage instead of making dollars. So if you decide like you want to make like 1% or 2% of your portfolio, that's achievable. That's you can do. Of course, you can do it. Start doing on demo accounts. I strongly recommend that. That's the way you can have better understanding for that. Okay, so I think I'm more of like uh, all right. Let me see the situation. Let's see another pair for now. All right. Let's see. Okay, so there is one more strategy I use to follow. Actually, I just always try to see the previous trend as well. So that's the way you can have a better understanding that the price is going up and down at some point, and it goes up and down. But always just keep in mind that BTC is very unpredictable. Some if some big news or something big is going to happen in the market, that can like shoot or just uh, drop the market just in a very quick way. So yeah, that's the way you can protect yourself. Always be very safe, guys, and try to learn first. Then you can add your money. Uh, yes, there is a referral link in my bio. You can connect with me and create your account and enjoy the free trading. So yes, let's see if we can have a chance. Okay, not now. Okay, guys. So what is going on in the market here is the thing actually, I must say. Let me check. Okay. Okay, let's see what's the news for now. Yeah, there are big things up going up and down. There are big news and some small news. So every news has some kind of uh, impact on the market, of course. So so yeah, today is 22nd December. Yes. So As I mentioned in the start of this conversation, that so market is just moving very steadily. Like it's not wait. It's I must say it's wait and see uh, situation now. So it's kind of final year. Yeah, it's the final week of this year, and the month was very volatile, of course. But the prices are now stabilizing. Actually, I must say. So if you guys see the previous week then and previous weeks, like 2 3 weeks back, the price BTC price is just moving in between some range bound actually. So price is somehow stabilized at some point. Um, but of course, economic data and major protocols can shift the markets anywhere. Uh, okay, you guys can suggest me like, should I have to take the short position from here or let's wait for some time? Okay, so the situation is in our control. I can open the short position from here, but I'm not sure should we open the short position because the RSA is not, yes, the RSA in the favor for now. So let me open the short position from here. I'm just going to open the short position from here with using my $200 margin plus 50x leverage. Strongly not recommended 50x. Always try to use 5 to 10x. So I have just opened the position and let's see how much profit we can make from this trade. So one more thing I need to mention here. It's not always like like when you enter the trade and your profit starts from right at the point. Sometimes it happens you just take the top, or sometimes you can just grab the uh, yeah. Thank you so much for your comment, Zauk. I don't know what's your name. Okay, thank you so much for your comment. I really feel admired and encouraged. Yes. So, sorry guys, I'm just getting a call. Sorry for interruption. Actually, I forgot to put my phone on silent. Okay, so okay, so for now, see guys, the situation. I have just entered the position, and we are just in profit for now, but not now actually. Whenever the trade is open, it's not your profit actually. Uh, when you closes the trade, the profit is yours, of course. So yeah, that's the thing. That's very understandable. Moreover, I am. Let me check the other pair. Okay, one more thing we can do. We can put our TP somewhere around at this mark actually. We are doing the short-term scalping, of course. We just want to grab small amount of profits in every trade. So today I'm going to perform like few trades with you guys, try to grab small amount of profits in every trade. So let's see if we can grab it. One more thing I can do here, I can put my stop loss at the break even. That's the way. See guys, my TP is hit. I have made $60 from this trade. So yes, it happened. It happens. See, just like in 3 minutes. And my other trade is stuck for now, but I'll definitely let me check what's going on with that. We can do the DCA for that one later, but I have just back tested that coin already, so it's in it will definitely come at the point. And see guys, the price was just falling down, and we can take the long position, but don't try to enter in every position. You always try to just stay focused, not to trade in every position. So yes. Okay, what should I do now? Okay, let me check. Okay, for now, I am just trying to see what's going on. Okay, see guys, the price is just moving up. So yes, that's how it works. It always moves. All right, guys, I'm just flipping the camera and just want to show you guys. Actually, I was not able to see the view for now. Okay, so that's the way I think I should have to flip the screen as well. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the way you can see. Yes. No, that's wrong. Let me move mirror this way. That's the way you can read it on the right side. All right. So, sorry. Yeah, so I was just talking about like don't try to just grab every don't try to get into every trade. Always try to just take small amount of profits in every trade and just uh, stay away for like few minutes and wait for the right opportunity again. So that's the way it works. Always do your own research. Thank you so much for joining today's session as well. Please follow my account. It will give me a great encouragement for be with you guys. All right. Moreover, let's talk about the other one. Um, Thank you so much for your comment on YouTube. Yeah, I have just got one more comment on YouTube. Thank you so much for your appreciation. It really gives me great encouragement to uh, teach you guys about the strategies what I use to perform while trading. All right. So, okay. Moreover, if you guys have any question, you guys can write down anything in the comment section as well, on the YouTube and TikTok as well. Okay, and for now, let me see what's going on. Okay, let me check another pair for you. What was that word? And truth. Okay, see, I have drawn the support and resistance of this one up here. So, I don't know, you guys can see. Yes. Okay, somewhere around here. So it's my first day today live on TikTok, and I'm just live on YouTube from last month. I'm just performing live trades on YouTube as well. Okay, so that's the support and resistance I have drawn for you guys. You guys can have better understanding up here. Um, so see the coin. The coin is just moving in between the range bound. So that's the range bound some I have drawn. The coin's movement. s- It's not always like that. You just get into the position right away. Always, it takes some time, of course. Sometimes you can have a good opportunity right away, or sometimes you need to wait for a longer period of time sometimes. So let's wait for this one. Actually, I just want to grab such kind of opportunity. See, this is the resistance that with the RSI was just below 20. So for the, of course, short-term scalping, I always suggest like always try to take the position. The RSI should be below 20. Okay, and moreover, let me check if I can have another coin for you guys. All right, 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 right. Hmm. Okay, so here we go. Uh, we don't have an opportunity in this coin for now, actually. For that, I think I should have to see the another one, another pair. We are just performing the trades from last 1 month in just like three, four, five pairs, not more than that. So that could have give us. Let's see if we can have another one. Oh, okay, so here's one coin. But these kind of movements, like I have told you already, these kind of movements can just kick you away from the market. See these candles actually. These are the candles I'm just talking about. So these are very dangerous. There are big order blocks filled over here, and just then pulled back the market. And just got the the long positions just got liquidated up here, and then the market get back to that position again at the same range. So sometimes this happens. The I must say, the whales try to grab the uh, opportunity to liquidate long or short positions. If these candles are upside, that means the short position holders are just going to liquidate it. So yeah, it happens. And moreover, let me see 1 minute time frame. I'm just going to see the 5 minute time frame. So 5 minute time frame shows us, yeah, same. Yeah, see, you guys see, there is a big movement in this coin actually. So try to avoid such kind of coins. Actually, they can be very dangerous sometimes. And if your trade goes right, you can just make a good profit in just like nick of the time. So yes, this happens. Okay, let me set. No, this coin is not like I just took the trade like few days back in this coin, but not now actually, not understandable for now. Okay, there is a coin. We can perform. Okay, let me put today's profit for now. Try to grab small amount of profits. Don't try to grab big profits. Just if there are a few options where you can grab good profit, that's called trailing stop loss. If you perform trailing stop loss, that can leads you to increase the chance of your daily profit of your that specific trade. So yeah, that's possible. And let me see. Okay. All right, guys. For now, I'm just curious to see if we can have more opportunities here. Okay, I'm just going to switch the pair from this to this. Just setting up the time for 1 minute time frame. And we are getting another chance for the short position again, but I just want to to I just want RSI to be above 70. So here it's not above 70. Um, Let me see if we can take this opportunity. Yes, we are near to grab the opportunity. Uh, but I just want you guys to stay with me to see if we can open the short position from here or not. Let's see. Okay, so for now, actually, yeah, the situation is in the favor for now, actually, but not 100%. Our benchmark is, of course, 70. So just waiting for this one to go above 70. So let's see if we can, or maybe it can fall down. We can enter the position, but without confirmation, and I strongly not recommend that. Anyway, let's see our other trade we were stuck in previously. Okay, so it's in positive for now. We can put our stop loss at this mark, at the break even, but I just want to grab this profit actually. Let's see if it hits, because the RSI is, for this situation, RSI is not in our favor. Or we can close the trade at this mark because the RSI is indicating that the price can fall down, but if some big order block fills it up here, so these kind of are like graph can be made in this position for now. So let's see if we can have the opportunity here to grab the chance. Let's see, let's wait and see. All right, let's let put the word DCC DC sorry TP at the mark where we have already put the TP. So meanwhile, let me check. All right, guys. So the mark is right. Without before we open any other position, let's wait. Sorry, let's wait for this position to be closed. I just want this position to be closed. All right, guys, go to my homepage to join the community. Okay, uh, so we can have the conversation and respond to your queries as well. It would be a great honor for me to respond to you guys. Uh, is it much better now? No, that's very sharp. Okay, I think this looks better, but looks doesn't matter. Money matters. Let's see if we can have a good opportunity again. Okay, see the movement is in just between the range bound for now. Let me move my camera to the screen. So So for now, the movement is just in between this range. So yes, it can go up, but the RSI is not in favor, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah, it can be very, there's chance for this one to maybe go down, maybe go up. But let's see if we can have this opportunity again. Okay, see the movement. The movement is not in the favor actually for now, but yes. Um, because the short-term scalping needs always you guys to just what's going on with that. Okay, all right. So let's see if we can see an opportunity. Sorry. Um, I have a feeling for this one actually. The volume is going up, and maybe for now I can I can close this position in the good profit. So let's see. Let me check another thing for you. Okay, so the movement is not in favor for now. As I mentioned earlier, like the RSA is not giving us a good opportunity or to understand the situation. But all I just want to do is, all right. Here. Okay, so the momentum is very dangerous. Um, if like it's moving, if it moves somewhere around here and if does not falls back to this point, then there are chances that it can go a little bit up. Or other on the other hand, yes, it can go down and if it goes up, and then it will definitely going to hit our TP because it happens to be at this mark like multiple times. And see the movement. Always do the back test always. So that can, okay. So that's the way you can have the better understanding of the movement. It can take some time. See the movement of from last, I think it's today's. Let's talk about the 5 minute time frame as well. So on the 5 minutes time frame, see the movement is just very steadily moving at the good pace. So yes, there is a good chance for this one to go. Of course, it can hit our TP because it went up to this mark multiple times today. Sometimes it takes a little bit more time, but yes, there are chances for us to take good profit from here. So let's see what do we get from this trade. Let me set this for 1 minute time frame. Okay. So on the 1 minute time frame, yes, it's going crazy. It's just moving in the pace. All right, let's see any other pair for now. Let's see the truth. Yes, we have a chance to enter the long position, but we had a chance actually. So we just missed this chance. Okay, let's wait and see for this one actually. If we can. Okay, for now, the movement is very steady. It is stuck at some point. So yeah, see the RSA was just screaming to just take the long position, but we did not. Okay. So yes, we are having another opportunity maybe somewhere around here. If the RSI again comes below 30, yes, we can open the long position from here, but see we just missed at the nick of time, yeah. But it happens, no worries. We will grab another opportunity again. Uh don't fall for every candle. Just wait and see if we can have a good opportunity. Don't fall for every candle always. Be very safe, guys. Try to just not to do some hurry uh, because it can take you down. Always suggested just to be safe and yeah. But these prices today, the market is like as I have mentioned earlier, it's wait and see situation today. So yeah, but I must say it's a great opportunity for the range bound. At least in the range bound we can make like up and down for few positions and uh, grab our uh, amount what we have decided. So yes, let's see how much money we can make from this one. uh, I strongly recommend you guys to start if you are new to crypto. Always start doing with your demo accounts to better understand the market situation, the movement of the coin, moreover, patterns, charts, RSI indicators, support, resistance. There are a lot of things. Always try to perform the I must say, yeah, uh, demo counts always and with demo counts, yes, after demo counts, yes, you can start doing with your real capital. And for the real capital, I always suggest people to just start doing with just like 2 to 3 or maybe maximum 5% of your capital. Moreover, 5% of your capital. Moreover, you can just grab the if you are doing crypto futures. So yes, you can use the leverage from the market. That's the future. And in the futures, yes, you can just. I strongly recommend to take like 5 to 10x, not more than that. So the leverage of 5 to 10x is good. Uh, 5 is very good. Yeah, you just be safe. I strongly recommend that. It gives you small profit, but but you are in the safe hands. Moreover, yeah, we are just getting a chance to open the short position from here. So I'm just going to enter the short position at this mark. And with just $200 with 50x leverage, don't do that. I strongly not recommend. But I have just opened the short position at this mark. I just entered because of this candle actually, as you guys can see. This candle, these two empty candles that can give us a good signal, and the RSA was already above 70, almost 80. So yeah, this was a good opportunity, and see guys, the opportunity was right for now. Actually, maybe it can go up. Uh, it's a volatile market, anything can be happen. So yeah. Uh, Moreover, let's see if it goes wrong, then it can go wrong. Of course, what can we do? So let's see for this trade. Maybe we can put our stop loss at this mark at the I think, but the moment is not so steady, so we can wait at least actually. All right, let's see where does it goes. Does it give us a good profit at this mark, or we can make some profit, or goes wrong. So anything can be happen. Let's see. Okay. So the price movement is at the right position for now, I must say. See guys, it's just we that's the way we can put our stop loss, sorry, TP at, let's put our TP at $50. Try to grab small amount of profit instead of like making big money. So the small amount of profits can give you at least sense of security that you are just, if something goes wrong, of course you're losing small. So that's the way you can save your capital in the better way. Moreover, we can let's see if this trade, if this trade goes right. So yeah, uh, we can make some profit from this one. Always do your own research before you enter the crypto market. It's very volatile market, and guys, be very safe. I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial expert actually. Um, I strongly recommend you guys to just start doing with the demo accounts. And with demo accounts, yes, of course, you can have the better understanding of the market movement, more over the candles, more over the RSI, support support and resistance as well. So yes, that's the way you can. Sorry, that's the way you can make good money, of course. But always try to start with the small amount of capital. So when you start with the small amount of capital, that can give you at least control on yourself. So if you lose some money, that's all right. Always invest the money you can afford to lose. Of course, it's a volatile market. Some people are gaining, of course, some people are losing. Someone is giving and someone is taking the money. So that's how the market works. Always be safe, and try to do on demo trades. So demo counts. So yeah, demo can give you a good control on. Demo can give you a better understanding. Uh, so yes. So we have now two positions open. One is in positive and the other one is, for now it's negative, but it's very small amount of negative. I will show you guys in few minutes so we can see if we can. So our target is to increase our capital like 5% today. So my capital is 9,000 today, and we would just want to increase 5%. So maybe somewhere around like $450, $60, somewhere around that. Yeah. So see the movement now. I just want to show you guys the movement actually. The movement sometimes goes wrong. So just like that. It went into the like somewhere around there, $25 positive. I just did not put my stop loss here. If I could have put my stop loss here, so I it would definitely hit my stop loss. But it happens, and that's the way we are not making any money at this mark at this point. So yes, we can close the trade here, or we just want to we can want we just want this one to okay, let the trade continue for a few minutes. Maybe yes, we can grab some money from this one. So let's see if we can have some amount of money from here. All right, right, guys. All I want is to make small amount because you guys can see I'm just using the $200 margin. So $200 and making $50 means 25% of the margin. So it's a good ROI. People are making like multiple of it, but yes, it is possible, but not always. If one thing goes wrong, your everything will be wiped out. So always be very safe. Moreover, if you guys are new to my live stream, please subscribe my channel. It would be a great uh, honor for me to build a community with you guys. Or thank you so much for being with me. Okay, moreover. Okay, one more thing we can do, like you see the movement here. It's the movement. Like 2 3 candles can give you a good profit, but it's not always moves something like that. Yes, we can make some money, but okay, let's see where does it takes us. Okay. And this can go upward somewhere around here, but then definitely it's going to fall back to this mark because if we see the moment of this coin previous in the previous time frame, so yeah, it went back and it goes up and down and up and down from last few hours maybe, and the movement is very steady. And the BTC is steady, so if the BTC is steady, of course, the movement is steadier and it's not going wrong somewhere. So because the market is just as I mentioned, like it's very calm today. So nothing big is going on in the market. So yes, okay. Let's see if I just want to keep this trade open for now so you guys can have a live look for this one actually. I think now this is better for viewing. The candles are very small actually. I think you would not have been a good view. So yes, now you can have a good view of the candles. Okay. So we have entered the position from here and our TP is here. So all we need to just grab the TP. We had another trade open. So let's see what happens with that. Okay, so it's going good for now. Can we close it? We are in $50 positive now, you guys can see. We can close it on manually, or yes, it can go way up to this mark. Yes, it can go. But I think we should wait a little bit more. Maybe we can grab this chance. Or we can manually close the trade, but sometimes it takes a little bit more time. It's taking like just like that. We have entered this position at this mark and it went down and back up and then down, then it goes in positive profit again, then went back when going up. So yeah, sometimes it changes the range mode as well. So this happens always. What you need to do is always just keep yes. And yes, our TP is hit. Yes, guys. So our TP is hit. We have made $80 from this trade actually. So let me show you guys. Uh, oh, $92. Yeah, 92 is good. Okay. Always do on demo trading, please. It's not a financial advice to start with your real capital. Demo trading can gives you great control. Moreover, just start doing with a very small amount of, if you want to start with your real capital, just start doing with very small amount of capital. So that can give you at least like if it goes wrong, something went wrong. So but I must say in today's time, like I don't know why people are losing money because there's a lot on internet. There are multiple, like thousands of people are just trying to teach crypto to the people. Uh, and I think we should learn first and start doing on demo trades. Yes, we can do that. And that's the way we can make money. Yes, and we made, see the candle is going crazy. See the big candle. We can open the short position from here actually. The RSA is 95. Yes, I am going to open the short position from here. Which is strongly not recommended. It can go way up, but no worries. What happened with the word that trade? Let's see meanwhile. Yes, it's for now it's in negative and it can go up. Yes, it can. Let's see if it gives us a chance. One more thing, guys. As I have entered in the short position in the running candle, don't do that. It's strongly not recommended. I just did because of the because I have seen the RSI. Of course, it's falling back somewhere down there. We can make like maybe $100 from that trade as well. But yeah, it's strongly not recommended to enter in such a trade. It can be very harmful. Yes. Let this trade close. So what we have made today, we have made just $150 today. No worries, we will make more if things goes right. So let's see. Okay, so we are in positive for now. Let's see if we can make some profit from this one. I have just placed the TP at this mark actually. I just want to see if we can make some profit from this trade. Today, my target is just to achieve 5% of my portfolio, which is very good and achievable, but strongly not recommended. Always just try to make like 2-3% of your portfolio, because whenever you open the market, it always attracts you. So just try to control on your emotions and stay away from the market, of course, always. Not to always keep it open and just check what's going on. So it attracts you as always and takes your money back. So that's the way the market works. And yes, for now. Oh, it went wrong again. No worries. We can wait for a little bit and see. It went up and it came down again. So no worries for now, actually. Sorry, let me set this up for you guys. I didn't check. Sorry guys, sorry. My screen just moved a little bit up, maybe. Yeah, sorry. My bad, guys. I hope it looks fine now. Sorry, my bad. Uh, I didn't see actually. I was just looking at the chart actually. So, all right. So for now, the things are not in favor, but yes, it is in favor, because if we do the back test, the price movement of the coin, you guys have seen, like, I'm not putting the stop loss for now. There are different ways of making your like discipline. But my discipline is, if I have made some money, uh, sorry, if I have made some money today, or I can lose the same amount of money today, so I'm still in the win-win, for because I'm not losing my capital. Moreover, I'm just setting up my target for 5% of my capital, so it is achievable. It's very achievable. Just it's just a matter of time. Moreover, we have this trade open and see. It was a little bit wrong, but yeah, we can see if it comes to the right mark. Okay. Thank you so much for your comments, Usman and Mr. My one of my favorite followers, always just uh, comments on my live session, Mr. H. Butch. Yeah, thank you for being my super fan, I must say. We are in the learning phase. I'm just with you guys together. So yes, we are not the pro trader actually. We don't want to be pro traders. So let's make 1,000% of every day. Just try to just make small amount of profits every day. It can gives us a great opportunity. So just it's just a matter of time. So always make your strategy. Just follow that pattern. So yeah, let's see what we can get from this. All right, guys. Let's see. Okay, so the trades are in. What we can do is if the market is shifting its momentum, yes, we can close the trade at break even sometimes. Uh, but that totally depends upon if you do the back test. If you see the movement, the previous movements of this coin was, let's do the 5 minute time frame. Let's check out the 5 minute time frame. So yes, on the 5 minutes time frame, it just, you see, it's just moving in between the range bounds. So maybe it can take some time, or if the big volume comes in, so yeah, it can take the price up. We have opened the short position from here. It is dangerous, of course, because it's on the already on the, if we see on the bigger time frame, let's talk about the 1 hour. So yes, it is. You see these kind of movements. These kind of movements can take you down. So it's, you just always be safe. Try to just perform the very carefully. So let's see. Okay, one more thing we can do. If as we have seen the momentum of this coin that can go up, we can close this one on the break even as well if the price comes down to the break even. So yes, let's see if we can. Okay, let's see. Price is in the not good mood actually. Okay, so what is my discipline? My discipline is I can close my trade. I have made $150 for now. I can close my trade at $150. So yes, that's my discipline. Because in the short-term scalping, stop loss hits very, very quickly. Uh, but yeah, that's the way you can gain. That's the way you can lose. That totally depends upon you. So the market momentum is just shifting to the. All right, let's wait for a few minutes. I just want you guys to stay with me to see what's going on with that one actually. Okay, let's see where does it takes us. And and what's going on? Okay. Okay, okay, let's see. Mm, so we have this trade stuck at this point. Okay, there are two things. We can do the DCA at $100 when the price goes wrong. But if we see the momentum on the previous hand, so yes, we have a great opportunity. That I must say, if you see the back test, the price movement goes up at some mark and went back down and goes up and went back down and goes up and went back down, just like that. So the movement is very in the favor for now. but anything can be happened. It's the crypto. It's a volatile market. The market is very crazy. It can go wrong, it can go right. Sometimes it's in your favor, sometimes you are losing your money. Yes, of course, someone is making, then someone is losing, of course. Uh, what kind of gifts I can offer you guys? Like, yes, we can talk with the someone. Yes. So, have you subscribed with the link I have mentioned in description? If you have registered your account with that link, you can just let me know. You can write me a comment. You can just send me a message. Uh, yes, we can offer some gifts, of course, some bonuses as well. So I can talk with the exchange as well. So yes. So see the moment is just shifting. That's the way. That's the way. Sometimes that's what I was just talking about. I just entered the position with the RSI. Uh, yes, sure. Have you created the account with the link? If you have created your account, yes, just let me know. Just let me know. I'll check it out. Of course, no, I'm not wealthy. I cannot lead you. We are just poor people, of course. We are not making that much money. We are not pro traders with the Lamborghinis and stuff. No, it's not gonna happen. It is possible, but don't fall for Lamborghinis and stuff like that. Just try to just stay away from such things. Just keep calm, relax, make small amount of money, relax. So, and sleep well. Yeah, the one major thing actually, I must say. If you're not sleeping well and just looking at your phone while sleeping and wake up and see your phone and you have a lot of money, don't fall for that. There's a link in description. If you open the video, there is a link in description. Uh, so you can just create your account with that and just let me know. I'll check it out. Then I'll definitely talk with. Uh, I was just planning for my subscribers to offer some gifts like the amount you have mentioned, just like that. So that you can use on your bonus account with your futures trading, of course. Perfect. Thank you so much for being my subscriber. Thank you for much being my fan. I'm not sure you're my fan, of course. But yes, you can just create your link and just let me know. I can just check from them. So yes, you can create, and we can talk on that. I previously there are a lot of subscribers that they got a few bonuses. I think yeah, they got few bonuses and they enjoyed that. But I strongly recommend you guys to please start doing on demo trades as well. So demo can give you a good control. Yes. So you can have a better understanding of market situation, movement, and stuff like that. Okay. Moreover. Our trade got stuck for now. For now, actually, not for longer. I'll not let. Yeah, you guys have seen like I have closed all of my trade almost and positive every day. So sometimes it takes more time. Sometimes it takes you guys to do the DCA. But yes. Uh, okay. Sorry, let me. All right, guys. So I think we are going to do the DCA for now. Uh, no, I cannot do anything. I can talk with someone. So if you register your account, I'll definitely. Uh, of course, there is a backup. There is a thing. They have system. So yes, they can offer you some gift vouchers. Of course, in term of money, bonus money. Yes, you can utilize that. So for the futures trading, of course. And you can make money on that and you can withdraw that money as well. Yes, you can do it by yourself. I cannot recommend you any specific exchange or don't cannot transfer my money or someone's money to to your account. Nobody's gonna do that. Uh, so yes, let's see if we can. Yes. Okay, for now, let me check. Okay, so things are. Yes, I have mentioned you earlier. Like, just register your account. Just let me know. I can check, and definitely we can transfer on that specific link, that specific exchange. Yes, we can do that. I can talk with exchange on the link which is mentioned earlier. So yes, you can have some bonus. All right, guys. More just waiting for this trade to be closed. Actually, I'm just stuck. I don't feel good. I feel bored, but that's how it tests your patience. So yes, sometimes this happens. I think the BTC is moving somewhere. Let me check the BTC movement. Okay, so for now, all right. So moreover, let me see. Okay, for now, All right. I think we are in a state of waiting for this trade actually. I just don't want to open another trade for now actually. I just want this one to be closed and see if we can close it in the at least on the break even. But for sure, we can do the DCF for now. I just want this one to go, if it goes minus 100, so yes, we can do the same amount of DC again, but the price can move very quickly. So that's the way it is possible. I'm just checking the moment for now. Yeah, BTC just moved up to 90,000. So yeah, that's why 90,500. Yeah, that's the way everything is going up actually for now. That's what I was just talking about. The BTC, you keep an eye on BTC. If you are just going to open a trade, just open the BTC chart on the other screen as well. So if BTC goes wrong against your trade, so yeah, that's the way we can be stuck in such a situation, something like that. So yeah, it happens. Yeah. So let's see how can we close this one. Okay. Should I do DCA for now? We can try. Uh, uh, there is no problem for the gift actually. We can send you money, but I would definitely not sending anyone money. I'm not sending money. I'm not doing this. There is one, two, three, and then there will be multiplication of that, of course. So yes, I can arrange some gift vouchers for you guys. So you guys can just subscribe me and confirm me. I'll definitely talk with the. I can just write down your interest, of course, to the concerns. Then I can arrange something for you guys for sure. Maybe more than $20. Okay, for now, this is the situation for now. I think we are in a state of. mm, okay. Yes, I'm just talking about the Christmas gift actually. Just just let me know after subscription, after just subscribe to that, after just register your account, just let me know. That's what I'm talking about. Just let me know. I can just arrange something for you. That's what I'm talking about. No, but not from my account to your account, of course. It's not gonna happen, but I can do something. Yes, I'm just telling you. Okay, so here's the situation. We can do the DCA for now. The market is just moving very. The BTC is not in the good shape. BTC can go a bit wrong. If BTC goes wrong, then everything is going down. Okay, for now, there's a prediction that BTC can go up to 100,000 K. But it's when it's gonna happen, nobody can tell, of course. Uh, but that's the previous market movements and stuff like that. But for now, BTC is just falling down, and the other coins are just has just shifted their momentum to the bullish. Okay. So let's see if it goes wrong or right. Uh, see these moments. Actually, I could have do DC at this mark, but I just did not do that. I am not in the favor of doing the DCA for now. Uh, but that's the way. And the movement of BTC is just killing the market, of course. Not killing actually, but just taking down the market actually. And long and short positions are just moving. Sometimes few coins moves against it, and few of them just on the other way around. Okay, for now, let's see. Okay, moreover, what we are just about to face is basically uh see the momentum is shifting, and yes, we can close our trade. Uh, Sorry guys, the market is uh not in the good shape for now. Okay, so what can we do at this mark? We can do the DCA from here, or we can wait for the confirmation to see if it goes right or wrong. And let's see where does it takes us. Okay, so see the movement. The movement is just coming down, and the prices are yes. Okay, and the price is shifting from here to see. Let's see what is just going on with that. We're just waiting for the confirmation. I just want to close this trade. Let's see if we can have it. We can grab another opportunity on the other coin as well. So yes, this the BTC. Let's talk about the BTC. Yeah, BTC is going to shift the momentum. Yes, that was expected actually. The price of BTC was expected to be at 90,000 today. Yeah, because that was just wait and watch situation at the moment. And it happened, now. So let's see if we can. There is no such a moment in other coins actually. Let me check, guys. Okay. Okay, see, the moment is very in the specific range bound. So yes, we are stuck at some position. Sorry, I have to just check one. Okay, and all right, guys. So we are in. Okay. So yes. So, see, the situation is very and the it can go up. I think I'm not sure. Like we should close it somewhere around here. The RSI is in just between the range bound, and we are just in the situation of closing it, but we are unable to do that because of the situation. So yes, let's see what can we do. Okay, let me check another thing. Okay, so the market is in the, see, the moment is going up actually. It's very, very dangerous mark right now. We can, let me check what can we do from here. Sorry guys, I'm just checking one thing actually for you guys to see if we can. So the price goes wrong. We can do the DCA for now actually. Yes, that's what I was just talking about actually. So yes, we are in, now we are not in a good shape actually. So I'm just going to do the DCA for now. Let's see here we moved the price for this one. Let me check another thing. So I just did my DCA at this mark and moved my price from this position. This from the price was somewhere around 229 something, and just moved it to 2320. So that's easily now achievable actually. So we can just close it somewhere around there. Um, what's what's going on? Okay. Yes, it can be. Okay. So for now, I think we are stuck at some point, maybe. And yes. Okay, I'm just seeing the moment now. Let's see. Let's wait and see where does it goes. The price is very, it's just happening. What's just happening is, yes. So let's see where does it takes us. If it takes us somewhere, come on, come on, get to some point, boy. So we can just close you down and take our small amount of money from you. Yes, it will. So one more thing we can do is actually we can close partial position of our 86, half is 43. Yeah, somewhere around that. So we can close partial of our trade. So the price will remain similar, of course, and we can, yes, we can make, let's see. I just want this one to come at the break-even point, but it's very like just want this one to come down to my mark so I can close it. Oh, I'm just going to partially close it down. Let's close it. Oh, just oh, what did I do actually? I just did when the wick went up. So well, it's fine. Negative $25. I'm just moving this to my other screen. Actually, my system's battery is low actually. All right, guys. So this is this can be happened sometime in the market. Sometime it's in your favor and sometime it's not. So things can be out of control sometimes. So I'm just going to show you the screen of my system for now. Let me shift the screen. How to do that? Yeah, with the camera. So yes. Okay, so for now, actually, I am just going to. So yes, this is see, it just came to that level again. But I just missed at the nick of the time. Actually, I just partially closed it, but I just closed negative $25. But that's fine, totally fine. We have just made that money from the market as well. And yes, uh, it is what it is. And yes. All right, guys. So let's see if it gives us an opportunity to close the trade. Okay, so yes, sorry. Okay, so what's going on? We're just waiting for the confirmation to see. All right. Let's wait and see if the price comes down. So we are just going to close it in positive, of course. Sometimes if the BTC moves uh, against again the big movements, so it can give you a shock sometimes. So that's the way it gave me already for that trade actually. So let's see. Let's wait and see where does it goes. I just want this trade to be closed in positive, of course. Uh, but let's see where does it takes me. Okay, so let's go with this one. I just want this to stay here and okay, I hope you guys can see my screen better now. Okay, so we have to see the situation is just in somehow in our control for now. So the price is just in the range, and yes, I just want, okay, I just don't want this one to close for the end of session actually. I just want to see if it hits my TB because the momentum of this coin is just shifting. If I would not have closed this trade for now, half of it, I would be in positive $100 almost now, but that's fine. That's totally fine. That's the beauty of, um, yeah, what can we say? Or we can close the trade at $40 positive. So technically, we're not losing anything. In fact, we are just making few dollars. So yes, it is possible, but I'm not sure yet actually. Let me check what can we do. What is going on? So we are in $65 positive for now. What should we do actually? I just want to see if I can make some profit from this one actually. So let's see if it goes right. So yes, we can close. That's all about the patience actually. Sometimes you need to wait if you're stuck at some point. So yeah, that's what happened with me at this point actually. And that's how you keep yourself calm instead of just fighting with the coin or the market. Don't do that. Missing some. Okay. Yes, we are. Uh, should we put our stop loss at this point? Yes, we can put our stop loss at this point, but let's see if it gives us an opportunity for putting the stop loss at this mark. I'm not sure for that actually. Yeah, see, it's just going up and it's coming back down, of course. I will show you guys it can go up a little bit more, but it's coming back for sure because the momentum has shifted from you see the RSI. If let me check the one minute time frame. So the 1 minute time frame sh shows the better, sorry, 5 minute time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, yes. Uh, the movement is in still in our favor actually. So yes, we can close our trade at this mark. Hmm. What should we do actually? The TP is at the right, I must say, somewhere on here. Yeah, at the right position actually. It's not that much bad actually. That's not achievable. It is achievable at the moment, but all we need to do is just wait a little bit longer maybe. But let's see, can we do that? Okay. Yes, here are some points for this one actually. Uh, all right, so let's see if it hits our TP or not. Or meanwhile, let's have some discussion on if you want, guys want to ask anything. As I mentioned earlier, like BTC was expected to be above 90,000 today's mark. In the start of the video, we discussed about that. Moreover, there are more chances for BTC to go up to 100,000 if everything goes right. If nothing big comes up in the market, and for now, actually, not anything in any big news for the big news was like 2 3 days back of Bank of Japan. They were just increasing the rate, interest rates, and they just increased interest rates, and that was a very big news in the market. Like there could have been a big movement in the crypto and risk assets like crypto and stuff, but there was not a like very big movement that was just moving very steadily. So people were just curious, like what just happened. So it's totally volatile market, and the big things and wrong things can happen. Something wrong can happen, something right can happen. It totally depends upon you where you stands in this market, how you take your profits, how you accept your loss. That totally depends upon you. And let's see if you are okay, guys. Moreover, yes, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I have shared a link in the description as well. You guys can follow me and connect with me on Telegram and moreover on there is a link on of the exchange. You can register on the exchange and get a free bonus money, which will be given to you on upon registration. And if you deposit 10 USDT, you will be awarded 10 USDT on top of that as well. So you can just make money out of it and just there is 50% discount on trading fee as well. Plus there is like a 0% spot buying fee as well. So it's a good opportunity. You can just avail. It's a limited time offer. Moreover, um, yes, the trade is in the move, and we are at the mark of. We just want to close. I just want to close it actually. I just changed the time frame to 5 minutes. Okay, that's what I was just thinking. Okay, see the movement actually. Uh, it can go a little bit somewhere around here actually at this mark, but the RSI still shows that it has potential to go a little bit more up. But let's see if goes up or comes back to our TP. And let's close this trade uh, with taking some profit. Or as you guys have seen, like we have entered the trade from this point, and we have entered the trade from this point, and the price goes up because of the BTC shifts the momentum. And at the when the price went up to there, then I just did the DC and that make my price up to this mark. And it went down to my $70 positive. I just did not close it. That's totally fine. But I just closed half of my position. Because of the DCA, my position was doubled, so I just closed half of it. Then the position came to at same point again, so it's just $200 again. So it was $400 at this point. And when like 3 4 candles back, it moved there. So if it goes up to some higher side again, I will do the DC again to move my price up again, and then again close my half of the trade as well. We can do the DCA now. Yes, we can do. Yes, we can. But I just want this one to, if this candle closes above this mark, and the next candle, let's wait for the next candle. Let's wait for the next candle. Let's wait. Let's see where does it takes. And I'm just waiting for the next candle. Then I will do the DCA. Oh, wait, just missed. Uh, I just want to see if the next candle closes above this one, so then I can do the DCA. But no, that's coming down. All right, let's see. Okay, guys. Let's see. Okay. See the momentum of this coin. It's just shifted from again. I was not expecting to go up somewhere down there, but the BTC, I have just seen that BTC just moved again. So that's why it just moved again to that mark. Okay. Okay. Let the price go up again. So we can do the DC again. I am just on the momentum has shifted, and let me check. Okay, so the things are, should we do the DCA now? Let this candle close this mark actually. So the BTC is just about to, BTC is at 90,000. It goes up, down. But on the higher side for today, at the higher price. And yes, today we are stuck at this mark again. We were in positive, but we did not close. Yes, we are just going to, I am just going to do the DCA from here, the DC. Mm, Just go a little bit up. Just more, just more, just more. Okay, I have just done the DCA. So let's see where does it takes me. So if it comes down to some point, yes, it is possible. Uh, but if it goes wrong, so yes, there are chances it can go wrong. So let's see. Uh, how much can we make from this one? Can we close it? I just want to close again. I will close half of it actually. And see, it's the TP price is also increased up to like 8,000, sorry, $400. So of course, that's possible. Yeah. Okay, so the price is just moving, and we are, let's see where does it takes me. I am at, oh, it's going wrong. Our TP is there, but no, not a good sign, not a good sign. Well, let's see what does happens here. Okay. So yes, it is, but me. Okay, guys. So I just want you to make sure like you guys understand if we make some profits, I think we are just going to close our day at negative today. Maybe, yes, it is possible. Not every day is profitable day. So we were making like profit from last 20 days, 21 days. We started making profit from like 300, $400 every day. And today I think we are just going to close our trade, our profit. It is possible, yes. If someone is making money, that means someone is losing money. That totally depends upon you. Like, should I accept my loss? Of course, I should have to accept my loss because I did not see the movement of BTC at that time. Then the price shifted from like bearish to bullish, and this can be very like harmful for, of course. But I must say this was harmful for today's trading. Yes, and it could have gave me like $200 loss almost if I close it for now. Not 200, one just 100 something. Yeah. And we can close it on break even, or we can close it like $150 today. So yeah, our trade, if our trade, this trade goes 25 dollars positive, so that means if we, and if we close it, that means we are just making like $150 today. So this could have been happen, and we just misjudged the market just because of the BTC movement. Yes, we made a mistake here, but that's totally fine. Yeah, it happens in the markets. Or should we wait for us to lose more? Yes, it is possible. It can go up. The potential is on the higher side. Let's see about the 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes is already sees like on overbought price. And let's talk about the 15. Okay, it's already on the overbought. Let's talk about 1 hour. So yes, it's already on the overbought state actually. But see the momentum. Yes, it is possible. It can, or otherwise we can just let this trade go and close it at its own. We already have TP. Yes, it is possible. Maybe we can, if we come tomorrow and we would be having like $400 in positive again. So technically we have made $500, uh, $550. So yeah, we are just achieving our target. Yeah, that's possible, but let's see if we can make it or not. For now, if I close it at right away, that means we are at break even today, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Should I close it or just keep it continue for the longer period maybe? It shows me okay, let's see if we can make or we can close it on break even. Let's see. So if I close the trade right now, we are still in profit, or I'm not sure. Should we close it? Let me check. Okay. Okay, guys. So see, the situation is not in the favor actually. The momentum is just shifting from up to down, down to up. That's the way, that's the time we need to decide, like we should have to close it at this mark, or we just want to keep it continue maybe for the longer period of time. It is possible because I have just back tested this one, but and it's showing like there's a potential this one to come down at some mark, which can give us like at least $200 positive profit. But anything can be happened. That's the beauty of this market. And yes, it is possible. Mm, okay. On the other hand, okay, BTC is just moving in the range, and we are just about to hit our like break even, and I will close my half of my position at this mark. So yes, we can do that, or we can close the trade right now and consider it like, okay, let's see if it goes right. We are just waiting, 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 waiting. TP is very far, I think. TP should be realistic somewhere around 0.232. Yeah, maybe. But it's 0.229, so it's very far, I must say. Let's see if we can make something from this one. I just want this trade to give me at least $50. So our trade day would be at least $200 positive. Okay, let's see what can we get from this one. Okay, so what's going on? What is going on? Yes, things are just go a little bit down, boy, so I can close you at this mark. And we should end our session today because the market momentum is not understandable for now, actually. So, yes, not every day is a trading day, uh, or I should have to close it on break even. What should I do actually? Let's set my SL to some point. Okay, for now. uh, yes, the mark is achievable. Hmm. I think we should. And the price is. I am. Sometimes this tests your patience, and that's how we are stuck at this mark. I just don't want to be stuck at this mark. I just want this one to be to. I just want to accept like I am just losing my situation. Like $100 today. Maybe, or yes, we can wait. Of course, yes, it is possible. We can close our session here and just let me, and you guys can see the situation of this coin that it would have been come to some to that TP where I have just placed my TP, and the movement shows like it has potential to come down, but it's too early. I would say it's early to say. I would not say that definitely it's gonna come back. Uh, but yes, there are chances, and or we can close half of our trade at this mark and see if that's we already have lost $25. So yes, let me update in the screen as well. We are at $21.25 positive for now. And Let's see if we can close our trade at some point. Sorry guys that this position took a little bit long. Uh, but I am going to close this one in positive, of course, and will update you guys about this one. And yes, seems like it's going to. All right, guys, stay with me and let's see if it hits my TP. I just need a small break. Uh, so let's see if we can achieve this one, this TP. So yes, guys, that's what I was talking about. We can, but these red candles is not a good sign. These empty wicks are not a good sign. I'm going to close. I am going to close half of my position. Sorry, I was not at this seat at the time. Let me close the partials, 85, yeah, 40 and do something. Let's close the partial of position. Yes, I have closed a partial position, and I will do DC again if I would be needing. So let's see if we need another DC at this mark, and if it goes up. So yes, we have, and if it comes to now this mark, because we have just closed half of the position, so yes, that would be $200. But now if it goes up to this mark, then I will do the DC again. See, I have just moved my price from which mark, from there. Yeah, I have just entered from there to there, uh to there, yeah, to here, somewhere around here, then moved my price again to that mark. Sorry. Oh, what just happened? Okay. So yes, this is happening. Oh, okay. So all right, guys. I think we should close our trade at this mark. What do you think? The DC and the see the RSA is shifting its momentum. But let's do the DCA again if we would be needing DCA. So let's do it. I just want to be sure about at least $200 today. Let's see if we can make it. Yes, we are in the state of in the position. We are just about to enter the position if where we would be needing to uh, do the DCA again. The BTC movement is very. Let me confirm you guys. Yeah, BTC is just after touching its today's highest, it's just falling back. So I don't know what's just stopping the other these coins to not to come back. Let's see if we can have a chance. There is a chance, yes. So guys, crypto is very volatile market. this information, this video is just for entertainment purposes and just to let you know, guys, how to perform the trade. Uh, I'm not your teacher. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not financial expert. Moreover, just try to, if you want to do the crypto futures, just try from the demo accounts. There are multiple exchanges where you can create account. I have one mentioned in my description as well, so you can click on the link as well to subscribe to register with that. So yes, they provide you free demo accounts. So on the demo accounts, you can, yes, you can use your like their free money. That's the free money actually. So you can have control. You can have the understanding of the charts movement. Moreover, yeah, the RSI, the indicators. There are a lot multiple things you will get to know. So yes, that's how it works. I strongly suggest you guys, uh, uh, please start if you want to. Please start doing with the demo account. So demo will give you and a better understanding before you put your money. And if you want to add your money, if you want to put your money, just try small amounts and try to overcome with your emotions and stuff. So you can you know where to enter the market, where to close the trade, how to do the DCA. See, I have just moved my price from bottom to uh, the top price. So that's the beauty and your willpower, like where to close your trade. So that's the main thing actually. How much loss you can afford to lose, and how much profit you want every day. So yeah, it is just like that. Moreover, if you guys have any question, you guys can just write me uh, in my comment section. So I would love to respond to you guys. Anything else I can? Okay. So I have just set my TP at the mark. I just want, let me move the TP to $90 for now. I just want to do the DCA, but I will do the DCA if the price goes at this mark at least, just like the previous one. So yes, let's see if we can, if it hits our mark again. So yes, we have to see. Okay, so let's see where does it takes us. I just want the price to go a little bit up so we can do the DCA again at that mark specifically. So maybe, yeah, that can be helpful. Uh, okay. So it seems like mm, the price has been moving in. So for now, I must say the momentum is shifting to bullish momentum, and it can be very dangerous for now. I think we should have to close our trade at some point, and yes, let me see. Let me check if we can have a chance. Hmm. Let's do the DC, I think. From here? No, actually, I think we need to wait for the DCA to be done at this mark. On top of this mark, actually, 0.237, 0.2385, something like that. So we can do the DC at that mark if the price shifts its momentum from, if it touches that price specifically. Or we can also place that order as well again. So if we want to do that, yes, we can do that. But for that, you need to active your multi order option in your settings of every exchange. I think most of exchanges does offer these opportunities, these kind of facilities actually. Okay. So today's fear index was 21. Yeah, it was because it was just steady movement of BTC and everything looks green today. So it's a good sign for the, and the market cap is 3.03 trillion. Yeah, it's a big market cap. And the volume was 88 billion. Yeah, it's a big volume. And yes, what else for today? And for please come down a little bit so I can close you at least break even. So I would not be losing anything. I don't want to lose anything actually for today. Or should I close it at that mark? Yes, we can close it. And let's see. Okay, okay. Let's wait and see. Oh, this is this is what I was talking about. Actually, I always mention that sometimes that your trade stocks. I have been into positive twice. That's that's where you decide. Sometimes everybody can do the mistakes even still after after like multiple years of experience. I also do the same mistakes sometimes. That's totally depends upon you, like how you take it. and how you decide to, yeah, take your share from the market. Yeah, sometimes you can take good decisions, sometimes bad decisions can be happen. So yeah, it is possible, and you can. It is sometimes it is dangerous for you. I am just going to close this position. Let me close this position at this mark, at least break even. So whenever I shift my screen from one to another, I think what just happened is. Okay, so the mark is just coming down, and we are $33, $36, negative 48, 18, and 19, 22, going back, going back. A big wick. I just want, all I want just is just a big wick to, yes. I will manually close this trade actually. I'm just very much tired of this trade actually. Just take the decision, close this trade right away, and now stay out of market. The market is not in my favor actually, I must say. So yes, I don't want to lose money instead of making money. So yes, that's here you draw your line. Okay, this is my line. I am just going to stay from out of market for today. So all I want is to close the trade at least at break even. Give me just a chance to close it at break even. And these empty wicks is not a good sign. See these empty wicks, it's going up, of course. These big wicks are the sign that these are filled candles. It could have been come down, but there are some buyers at this point. So yes, and let's see if this order block is filled, that it will come down. There is a potential at this mark. There are big order blocks. There must be some big order blocks out here. That's just stopping this price to come down actually. Okay, let's see if we can. See, that's what I mentioned earlier. Like these these empty wicks are very clear indication for the price to go up. Whatever happens, every time I have seen that. Uh, and it took the price up again. Yes, that's what I'm just talking about. That's totally fine. It's just a part of it. All you need to do is just wait and see. I'm very much upset with this trade now. All I want to just close this trade at this point. Let's see if we can have a chance to close the trade. I was just about to close at the break even actually. but I just missed it. And we are getting an opportunity to close the trade. Let's see if we can thoroughly get it. Let's close the trade at here. Let's close it. 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 Just uh, one more push. Just another push so I can close my trade at this mark. Okay. See, sometimes it kills you. So it takes you it downs you, so like you get frustrated at that mark. And see the movement of this price. Actually, it came to at that mark and then go back up a little bit, came down and then go back up, and just moving around your entry price. So technically your entry price is your support now actually. So which is not a good sign somehow. But this happens. The this is the I must say, what should I say? Sometimes you don't have words to describe your situation. Yeah. So let's see if we can close. I I was just taking that small amount of profits and losing the big one. So that's what I don't want actually. And and give me an opportunity, please. I just want to close you at break even, and I am just going to close this one on. I have just broken like